Today's video is sponsored by my friends. Add any Fusion transition between your clips, and select to open it in the Fusion page. Delete the transition node, and add a merge node after your first clip. Select the second clip, and bring a Luma keyer node after. We need to animate the low and high value to go from 1 to 0. Instead of animating each one, right-click to the low value, select expression, and connect it to the high value. Right-click to the high value and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, and check the invert box. Now your clip will start with an empty image. If you want to have more parts of your image visible from the start, just bring down the scale slider. Change the curve to easing, and play around with the in and out modes to find out what works best for you. Add a transform node after, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Right-click to the size slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, check the invert box, and set the offset slider to 1. Change the scale value to 20. Go back to the Tools tab, move the pivot point, to adjust the position of the image that is zooming to. If you want, you can right-click to the angle slider, and select to modify it also with the anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, check the invert box, and set the scale value to 90. I can see a lot of potentials for this transition. For sure I will keep it for my next pack. If you want, you can check my pack. If you don't need it, you can buy it and never use it.